Alright guys, let me just drop the tea on what I've had to do all of this stripping down of the car for.
Yeah.
So this is a BMW 520d on a 2015 model, and the customer just drove, well, this is the story, he drove an elderly lady 10 minutes walk down the road, got out the car with the engine running, walked her to the house, came back, and his radio screen was completely blank. Since then, he hasn't been able to get any information out of his parking sensors, his cameras, any alerts on the car. Obviously the dashboard is still working, but that screen there is completely blank. He couldn't control anything with this controller. So I came to the car and found that he's pointing out that a 20 amp fuse is blown, which is this one here. And this 20 amp fuse goes into where you see I've got that 20 amp fuse. So I replaced it and it blew straight away. So this bulb is in place of that fuse as a current limiter, so I can test the circuit and not melt any wires. So what I found is the radio is the reason, because on the 5 Series, if you know them, there's usually some amplifiers in here, and sometimes water gets in there and blows the amplifier, but not this time. So now I've taken out the radio and it's actually stopped the short. Before that, I also checked some fuses in there. So whilst checking the fuses, I checked the fuses in there as well, and to get to all the fuses in there, I had to take this cover off, which is underneath there. So anyway, the radio is disconnected. Let me just, I don't want to scratch this area here, definitely not. So let me take it out and unplug it and show you what's unplugged. Obviously this is unplugged, and I haven't unplugged this. I had to remove this as well to get this panel off to get to the radio. So let me get this radio out and show you what's up. So you see, this is the radio on this cloth here. If I plug this back in, if I plug that back in, I want to see if that bulb is back on. If that bulb is lit up, that means that the fault is getting, well, the power is getting all the way through the wires, but when it gets to the radio, something is drawing so much current, it's blowing the fuse, and that's what would make the bulb light up bright. Alright, so that's plugged back in now. Let's see what we got down here. Okay, boom. See, that bulb is lit up very bright, so that's like taking up all the heat that would probably melt the wires from here all the way back into the car. So that's why you don't want to be chucking in a larger fuse, because you see how bright that bulb is? That is absorbing the heat. So now that's off, that bulb should be off again, and then I'll be happy to say that we need to replace the radio. Alright, so that fuse, this yellow fuse here, that's in there, that's the radio fuse on a BMW 520d that doesn't have an amplifier in the boot. Hope this video is interested, and if you want to support my channel and see more videos like this, don't hesitate to click that like button to pick me up, obviously, and then you subscribe so you can see the other video that I put out. Yeah, love. Right, so I was trying to explain to my customer what's actually going on besides this bulb technical stuff that might be a bit confusing. So because I've got the radio disconnected at the moment,
It's not gonna blow.
I can put the fuse back in there,
Yeah.
and it's not gonna blow. Okay, but the minute I reconnect
That box.
I'll come back here and I'll find that fuse is blown.
We can't isolate it to any particular components in that box, can we? To see where the short is or causing it.
Can you do me a favor just for the video? Can you just hold this camera to that fuse so you can catch it blowing?
Yeah. There's a flash.
Big flash, yeah? That's it.
That's when you connected that blue box?
No, the big connector at the back.
Or the pink one?
This one here.
Obviously that's got multi-layer, dozens of wires coming into it, isn't it?
Yeah, so but the wiring is all okay up until it gets into
This
that
box. Yeah, I mean that's dozen, isn't it?
Yes.
Dozen different cables playing in there.
So it would more than likely be one of like the main power supply or something like that. Some of the wires will be signal wires to the
You can't undo
speakers.
that box and see if anything burned.
Well,
then again, you can't get that component if it's burned, isn't it?
I'm not a PCB board repairer.
People don't do that, I don't think, these days.
Online you might find people, yeah.
Yeah?